Hello students. We all know that farmers' shoulders have a lot of responsibility. They manage their businesses in a complex, uncertain environment, and what they produce is weightier than widgets. We all rely on their success to feed us, clothe us, and keep farmland healthy for the next generation. A lot of factors can decimate yields: bad weather, insects, imported weeds, and resistance to an important fungicide.
9 billion people living on our planet. They'll need a livable environment and a stable climate. One with plenty of clean water. That's why our scientists are hard at work on solutions that help reduce emissions and use resources more efficiently. We help farmers to increase crop yield sustainably and to make crops more resistant to heat and drought. After all, we need to fill 9 billion bowls and plates each and every day.
We will talk about the pesticide company which focuses on the high yield of crops. BASF is the largest chemical company in the world and is headquartered in Ludwigshafen, Germany. BASF originally stood for Badisch Aniline und Soda Fabrik, English, Baden Aniline and Soda Factory. BASF was founded on 6th April 1865 in Mannheim in the German-speaking country of Baden by Friedrich Engelhorn. He had been responsible for setting up a gas works and street lighting for the town council in 1861. The gas works produced tar as a byproduct, and Engelhorn used this for the production of dyes. BASF was set up in 1865 to produce other chemical necessary for dye production, notably soda and acids. The plant, however, was erected on the other side of the Rhine River at Ludwigshafen because the town council of Mannheim was afraid that the air pollution of the chemical plant could bother the inhabitants of the town. There are 4 main products of BASF crop production. They are fungicides, herbicides, insecticides, plant growth regulator. Acquire fungicide seed treatment provides broad protection against Pythium species and will help maximize yields by protecting seedlings from disease and stress threats. Amazon herbicide. This herbicide is a highly flexible post-emergence solution that is designed for high-yielding corn growers. Regent insecticide. Regent protects your corn and potato crops. Apogee plant growth regulator. Plant growth regulator is a revolutionary product for canopy management and improvement of crop quality in apples and for improved harvestability and increased yield potential in grass grown for seed and peanuts. BASF Crop Protection received registration of a new pyrethroid insecticide called Fastac EC for use in soybeans and cotton to control pests including aphids, beetles and stink bugs. Fastac EC insecticide will be available for use for the 2013 season. It is a restricted use pesticide. Fastac EC insecticide is an effective new tool for growers looking to proactively manage a broad spectrum of insect pests, reported Luke Bozeman, BASF Technical Market Manager. Additionally, as a pyrethroid, Fastac EC insecticide provides residual control to manage key pests in many crops. BASF aims to strengthen its position as the world's leading chemical company. Company's new strategic approach looks at the complex challenges farmers face and offers integrated solutions for greater productivity and profitability on the one hand, and environment as well as social compatibility on the other. The company also announced a sales target of €6 billion by 2020 for its crop protection business. Goodbye and all the best.